starting the wing hires a little too early, so I'm going to go fix those and try to get some more wings on them before all of you guys are testing me out. I want to make sure every Viking gets the chance to fly on the back of the Dragon, and well, if there's no wings, that's not going to happen very well. So I'll be over there working, but I'll be back soon and talk with Mr. Toothless. He's our village shepherd, the best shepherd this side of anywhere, also the only shepherd that we have. But, you know, that makes him the best, I think. So I'll be back soon, okay, everyone? Bye-bye.